matter, honey? You lost?
Looking for Elysian Fields.
This is Elysian Fields. What number are you looking?
642.
You need to look no further.
I'm looking for my sister, Stella Dubois. Mr. Stanley Kowalski.
Yeah, that's a body, all right. You just did miss it, though.
Yes. Can this be her home?
She got the downstairs here. I got the up.
Oh, she's out.
You notice that bowling alley up the street?
Oh, I'm not sure it is.
Well, that's where she's at, honey. She's watching her husband bowl.
You. Don't you look at me, Stella. No. I won't be looking at you. It's merciless glare. Did you find that place? Oh, Stella, what you doing in a place like that? Never in my worst dreams did I picture. Only Poe. Only Mr. Edgar Allan Poe could do justice to it. What are you doing in that horrible place? Oh, what am I saying? I didn't mean to say that. I meant to be nice about it and say, oh, what a convenient location and such. Precious lady, you haven't said a word to me. Give me a chance to. Why, you dog, open your pretty mouth and talk. Come say hello to Stanley first. No, not now. Would you say hello? Oh, which is he? Which one is he? Is he the one that's there? The one that's making all the rhubarb. Isn't he wonderful looking? Stella, I can't meet him now. Not like babes and grasses. Would you like a cold drink? Oh, bless you for that lovely inspiration.